I've been in Dallas forever, and I sing in many events with friends and family as well as other Telugu events mostly. And my name is Prabhakar Kota. Amir Khan stole my name. My original name is, I have the original PK, but Amir Khan stole my name. But that's how you remember me. PK is my name. And there's another guy in Telugu called Pawan Kalyan who also stole my name. He's also PK.
I'm also PK. I also stole your name.
There you go.
We have 4 PKs in this group.
अंबर पे मेरी एक ही तारा, ओ एक तारा हो तुम, ना कोई खुदा मेरे तेरे सिवा, मेरे जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। నా సూర్యుడివి, నా చంద్రుడివి, నా దేవుడివి నువ్వే। నా కన్నులకి నువ్వు వెన్నెలవై, నా ఊపిరివి నువ్వే। నువ్వే కదా, నువ్వే కదా సితార నా కలలకి। నాన్నా నువ్వు నా ప్రాణం అనినా సరిపోదట ఆ మాట। నాన్నా నీకై ప్రాణం ఇవన, ఇదిగో ఇది నా మాట। నిజాన్నెలా అనేదెలా ఇవాళ నీ ఎదుట। நீ என் உலகம், நீ என் இதயம், நீதான் எதுவும் அப்பா। நீ என் கனவு, நீ என் சிறகு, நீதான் உறவு அப்பா। போகும் திசை கேட்கும் இசை எல்லாமும் நீ அல்லவா। உன்னால் பிறந்தேன், உன்னால் வளர்ந்தேன், உனக்காய் வாழ்ந்தால் போதும்। உன் தோல் சாய்ந்து உன் காய் பிடித்து முன் போல் இருந்திட வேண்டும்। நான் உன் விதை, நீ என் சதை, நான் என்று நீ அல்லவா। ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ದೈವವು ನೀತಾನೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರೇ ನೀತಾನೆ ನೀನೇ ಸದಾ ಸಂಗೀತ ನನ್ನಲಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. So that was Hindi, Telugu, Tamil and Kannada in that order. Thanks a lot.